everyone, today we are going to begin with our new book, that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 4 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with chapter number 2, that is Animal Archive. In this chapter, we have certain questions related to certain animals. You will read the lines for the same and then you have to answer them. So let's begin with it. So the question says, answer the following questions using the help desk. The first question is, a particular animal eats specific plants to heal itself when it is sick. So the answer is wild chimpanzee. Next we have certain animals which never sleep and they do not have lungs. And those animals are known as insects. I-N-S-E-C-T-S, insects. Next, we have the question, some animals will adopt orphaned pups of their deceased family members, and those animals are squirrels. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Then we have the fourth question. A specific snake is the fastest moving snake in the world, and the answer for this question is black mamba. B-L-A-C-K, black, M-A-M-B-A, mamba. Next we have female animals, they help in taking care of others' babies. The female animals of this kind of animal, they help in taking care of other females' babies, and the animal is frog. Next question, the sixth question, embryos of certain animals, they can breathe through their egg shells, and the answer for this question is chicken egg. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken, E-G-G, egg. Then we have the next question, that is, animals were the first creatures humans domesticated around 10,000 BCE, and these were dogs. So dogs are known as the first animals which were domesticated around 10,000 BCE. Next, that is the eighth question. The hind legs of the animal are so strong that even it can remain standing when it is being shot dead. यानी कि अगर उसको गोली मार दी जाए तो भी वो ऐसे खड़ा रहेगा कि जैसे उसे कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है. Its legs are very strong. We are talking about the hind legs of this animal, and the answer is tiger. Next question is, a specific animal which cannot move its tongue because it is attached to the roof of its mouth. So there is another animal which cannot move its tongue, and the answer is crocodile. The last question, certain animals, they can grow 30,000 teeth in their lifetime, and these animals are known as sharks. Let's have the quick fact now. It says a liger is born when a male lion and a female tiger mate, while a tigon is born from a male tiger and a female lion. So when a baby is born from a male lion and a female tiger, अगर एक male lion और female tiger मिलके एक baby को born करते हैं, they give birth to a baby, that baby is called as liger or liger, L-I-G-E-R, and when a male tiger and a female lion, they give birth to a baby, that is known as tigon, T-I-G-O-N. So this was all about this chapter. Then your answer please is for the children. Name any one animal which is an endangered species. You have to name any animal which is an endangered species of today's time. And do you know the baby bats are also called pups? So you have to write the answer here for these two questions. Thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope you have understood the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.